Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, for always watching my videos whenever I upload them, commenting nicely and liking them. God bless you all. If you're new here, I promise you are at the right place. You will learn more about baking and cooking and other DIY tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare this yummy, delicious chocolate cake without egg or oven. Just keep watching. So let's get started. For the full list of these ingredients, check at the description box below. We will start by adding the milk into the mixing bowl. To it, add the sugar, the vanilla extract, the lemon juice, and the vegetable oil. Stir them all together. After mixing them well, I'm going to add the baking powder, the salt, and the baking soda into the all-purpose flour. Then add the cocoa powder. Mix them well. And sift them into the wet ingredients. If this is the first time of stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. God bless you as you do that. I'm going to mix them until they are well incorporated. In here, I have a container already greased and lined up with parchment paper. Make sure that your container can be accepted by your microwave, because there are some plastic that you cannot put into the microwave. I continue by transferring the batter into it. Tap to release the air or air bubbles. Now I'm going to transfer it to the microwave. Once I put it into the microwave, I bake it for the total of 8 minutes. It depends on the microwave as well. If it is in a high heat, it might bake for only about 5 minutes. So keep your eyes on it. So 8 minutes later, here is the cake, already baked, looking fluffy and inviting. I'm going to flip it over and allow it to cool while I prepare my chocolate ganache. I can feel how soft and fluffy it is. In a preheated water, I'm going to place a plate and add this bitter chocolate. A total of 150 grams of bitter chocolate. Now I add the milk. I continue adding the rest of the chocolate. At this point, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of butter. I proceed by stirring them until the chocolate and everything is melted. Make sure it is on the low heat. Once I'm done, I'm going to pour the chocolate ganache on the cake. Just watch how I did it. This is a simple cake you can prepare within the space of 10 minutes. The cake is done, even when you forget the birthday cake of your family member. Just go to the kitchen. Within the space of 10 minutes, the magic is done. Look at this cake. Is it not looking delicious? If you have watched to this very point, thank you so much. I love you all. Give me a thumbs up after watching the video. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to do so. I love you all. See you in my next video. Stay safe and bye.